In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts from Google Sheets to Google Contacts and Gmail. This process can seem daunting at first, but I promise to guide you through every step to ensure it's smooth and straightforward. So, let's get started. First things first, we need to open Google Sheets where your contact information is stored. You'll want to have a spreadsheet with clearly labeled columns, such as name, email, and phone number. This is crucial because Google Contacts can easily recognize these standard labels and will help in the importing process. Once your spreadsheet is organized and ready, you're going to download it as a CSV file. To do this, click on File in the top left corner of your Google Sheets. From the drop-down menu, select Download, and then choose the comma-separated values, Voice CSV, Current Sheet option. The file will download onto your computer and will be ready for the next step. Now, it's time to head over to Google Contacts. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. If you're unsure, open a new tab in your browser and go to contacts.google.com. You should see all your current contacts listed there, along with an option for importing new ones. On the Google Contacts page, look to the left. You'll see a vertical menu where you can select Import. A window will pop up prompting you to select a CSV or vCard file. This is where you'll upload the CSV file you just downloaded from Google Sheets. Click Select File, find your CSV file on your computer, and then click Open. After you've selected your file, click the Import button. Google Contacts will start processing the information. It might take a moment depending on the size of your file, but soon enough, you should see your new contacts listed among the existing ones. This will include all the details that you organized in your Google Sheets file, like names, emails, and phone numbers. It's always a good idea to double-check your new contacts once they are imported, just to make sure everything looks right. Sometimes minor adjustments are necessary, especially if your CSV file had inconsistencies or formatting issues. And there you have it, a seamless way to import contacts from Google Sheets to Google Contacts. This method is particularly useful if you're managing a lot of contacts and want to ensure all your information is synchronized across your Google services. With practice, it will get even faster and more intuitive. Thank you for following along with today's guide. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your digital life. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to assist. Have a great day and happy organizing.